Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Dell monitor to Xbox. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content.
You will need to follow some steps. You can connect your Dell monitor to Xbox with HDMI cable. Simply plug it in and it will work. You will enjoy the quick response. Time vs many new smart TVs. So simply plug the HDMI cable. One side in the Xbox and another side in the monitor. On the Xbox, make sure you are plug the cable to the HDMI out as there is a HDMI in. I can't count how many times I faced. The Xbox should auto-detect the choose the proper picture resolution. If this is not the case, I would suggest connecting to a working screen and reduce it to 1280 into 720p, then try once again to connect to your monitor. So simply plug the HDMI cable one side into your Xbox and another side into your monitor. After your monitor will be connected to the Xbox. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thanks for watching.